Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you're a makeup wearer like me, then you'll know just how important a great setting spray is. This one is really awesome for keeping your skin mattified. So your skin can still have a little bit of glow, but it will make it so that it absorbs excess oil because of the charcoal in it. I love the scent of this. It does not have a strong smell whatsoever. I also love the mister on this. It is nice and fine. It feels nice and refreshing. It does not feel like this strong jet stream touching my face. It instead is just this light, gentle breeze. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, which is super important to me. So you want to make sure when you're using this product that you hold it 8 to 10 inches away from your face to get the best result. So this will help keep you oil-free up to 16 hours, and it does not irritate my sensitive skin. Let me tell you, I have the most sensitive skin in the world, and this does not bug it. So if you're looking for a really great, affordable matte setting spray, you should give this one a try. And that is my point of view.